consists of swimmers and runners. There are 108 boys. The number of boys is 3 times the number of girls. Okay, at this point of time, stop first. Do not read further. Find out the number of girls first. Okay, so girls would be 108 divided by 3. So this will give me 36. Okay, then move on. They say that the ratio of the number of swimmers to the number of runners is 7:2. So swimmers, runners, 7:2. And then they said 3 over 8 of the runners are girls. So I'm going to find the number of runners first. Okay, but before I can find the number of runners, right, I must find the total number of people. So the total number of children. The total number of children will be boys plus girls. So I'm going to write total, okay, arrow 108 plus 36. And this will give me 144. So there are a total of 144 children. Alright, now I will go and find the number of runners. Okay, so number of runners, the ratio, right, from swimmers to runners, 7:2. So number of runners would be, 2 over 9 multiplied by 144. So 144 over here. Okay, so 2 over 9 multiplied by 144. So, okay, I'm just going to use my calculator because I don't want to waste your time. So this will be 2 times 144 divided by 9. 2 times 144 divided by 9. So this will be 32. So I know that there are 32 runners. Okay, and they said that 3/8 of the runners are girls. So if 3/8 of the runners are girls, and then they're asking me how many swimmers are boys. Okay, now if 3/8 of the runners are girls, that means 5 over 8 of the runners are boys, right? So I'm going to find 5 over 8 of runners. So I'm going to put boy runners. It will be 5 over 8 multiplied by the runners, which is 32. Okay, cancel 1, cancel, divided by 8 will be 4. So 5 times 4 will be 20. So there are 20 boy runners. So how many swimmers are boys? I take the total number of boys, I minus the boy runners. So it will be 108 minus 20, and that will give me 88. So there are 88 swimmers who are boys. Okay, so do it like that. So remember, do not always rush while you're reading from here all the way to here. Don't need. You just read through first. If you can find a micro detail here, okay, like for example here you can find number of girls, right? Then stop reading. Just go and find number of girls first. Okay, whatever micro details you can find while we are reading, right? Even if you have not read to the end, it's okay. Just find the micro details first. Because the more micro details that you accumulate, right, as you're reading, the more clear you will be as you're reading the final statement. Okay, use my method, it's the best. Alright, done.